Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to keep your car spotless, you're in the right place. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners that will make cleaning your vehicle a breeze. Stay till the end to see my number 1 pick. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links in the description below for the best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. Armor All 2.5 Gallon Wet and Dry Vacuum. Kicking things off at number 5 is the Armor All 2.5 Gallon Wet/Dry Vacuum. This powerful vacuum features a 2-peak HP motor, 2.5 gallon tank, a 10-foot power cord, and a 6-foot hose. It also includes a crevice tool, brush, and utility nozzle, making it great for detailed car cleaning. What makes it stand out is its wet and dry capability. You can clean up liquid spills as easily as dust and dirt. The built-in blower function is great for drying off surfaces like car grills and wheels. However, it's corded, which limits mobility, but its power and versatility make up for it. Number 4. Shark WANDVAC Handheld Vacuum. At number 4, we have the Shark WANDVAC. This ultra-lightweight, high-suction vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups. It features an ergonomic design, a crevice tool, and strong suction power that makes cleaning small spaces effortless. The biggest advantage of the Shark WANDVAC is its portability. It's perfect for anyone looking for a compact, easy-to-use vacuum that delivers power without bulk. The dust cup is small, meaning more frequent emptying, but it's still an excellent choice for everyday use. Number 3. Bissell Automate Lithium-Ion Cordless Vacuum. At number 3, the Bissell Automate is a cordless vacuum designed specifically for cars. It comes with a lithium-ion battery, a crevice tool, upholstery tool, and dusting brush, making it ideal for deep cleaning seats, dashboards, and tight spaces. Its biggest strength is its automotive focus, with attachments that work well for pet hair, dirt, and debris. The battery life is decent but might need recharging for longer cleaning sessions. Still, it's a solid choice for car owners. Number 2. Dyson B7 Car and Boat Cord-Free Vacuum. The runner-up is the Dyson B7 Car and Boat, a cord-free vacuum with up to 30 minutes of fade-free suction. It includes a mini motorized tool, combination tool, crevice tool, and extension hose, making it one of the most versatile handheld vacuums. This Dyson's powerful suction and premium attachments make it perfect for deep cleaning car interiors. While it's pricey, its top-tier performance justifies the cost. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 20-Volt Max Handheld Vacuum. Taking the number 1 spot is the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Handheld Vacuum. It features a high-performance motor, a pivoting nozzle for hard-to-reach spots, a 3-stage filtration system, and a wide-mouth design that makes cleaning effortless. The pivoting nozzle is a game-changer, allowing you to reach tricky angles easily. While it's slightly noisy, it remains the best balance of power, convenience, and price, making it our top pick. That's it for today's list. Which vacuum is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links in the description below for the best deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!